How to use the naloxone antidote kit for an opioid overdose. This is the one used for an intramuscular injection as opposed to the nasal spray one. So I'm demonstrating how to use the intramuscular injection. So once we open it, we can see that these are the two ampules that are containing the Narcan, which is a fluid, and the idea is to draw it up with the syringe and needle and wipe the skin with the alcohol wipe and inject it. So I'm going to demonstrate right now how to do this. A lot of people fear opening up an ampule, so this is a little protector right here. This moves off here. Before I open that, I can flick it so I get all the fluid down to the bottom. That's why it's done. Open up my syringe. I would normally have gloves on. From this point, I take the needle cover off. So now this is a sharp and it's dangerous, okay? Now the idea to break this is that it's going to snap right at that point right there. And it's as simple as that. Discard that. So now I'm taking the syringe, put it in the fluid, and I'm withdrawing, aspirating or pulling back on the syringe, and you can see the fluid coming into the syringe. It's only 1 milliliter, it's not much. Don't worry about air coming in. There's nothing left in here. Before I inject it, I want to get rid of this air bubble here, so I simply just push up, and that's good. It might drip out the top a little bit, that's okay. The next thing is to take an alcohol wipe, open it up. If you have time, I mean it's an emergency, but if you have time to use this to wipe the skin off, and now you're ready to go. So again, gloved hands, find your point with the piece of muscle anywhere in their body, usually on the arm or the butt. And then the next thing to do is to inject it. It could be just a wrist maneuver here into the muscle, and ideally as you aspirate to see if there's any blood coming up. You would see blood coming, but either way it's an emergency, and you just depress this and push down. And that administers the full milliliter, which is, after this, is to keep an eye on the person, put them on their side, they might vomit, but keep an eye on for breathing. If that doesn't work, then to give it a second dose. So to summarize, the naloxone kit contains the ampule, the syringe, the needle, the gloves, and the rescue mask. And I've shown you already how to open up an ampule and to deliver the rescue medication.